Tracking. This is Next Weather.
And less than a half hour at this point here, or a little bit more than that, and we get into July. We talk about some changes coming up the next few days. It's 82 right now, still 88. I mean, this is typical this time of year. We're in the middle of summer here, so it's going to be oppressively hot in the afternoons before we get our cooling thunderstorms. We hit 92 today. We did not get in the mid-90s, and that courtesy of a lot of showers and thunderstorms that developed and helped cool us off before we got to those extreme temperatures. Just some leftover showers right now across the Florida Keys, but we're going to fill in once again for tomorrow. So tomorrow will be the wetter of the next couple of days. So drier tomorrow, wetter tomorrow and then drier as we head into Sunday. I'll explain why here. We get this easterly to southeasterly wind that will bring a couple of showers into the picture every morning here once you get that flow off the Atlantic. But then in the afternoon, we'll transition to thunderstorms, and tomorrow's steering currents are not very good. They're slow. So these storms are going to take their time to do what they do, which is dump some good rainfall on us here. So keep that in mind throughout the day today. After, I'd say 11 o'clock tomorrow, we're game for showers and storms, but they will be ending by the time we get into 6 and 7. So again, no washouts right now in the forecast here. Heading into Sunday, same deal. We'll get those morning coastal showers, and then in the afternoon, a little bit different. Notice by 12 o'clock, we'll have some showers and storms, but everything pushes towards the west. That's a stronger southeast wind, so I think that's going to help us out. So we'll lower rain coverage for Sunday, no question. 60 tomorrow, 40 probability for a Sunday afternoon. So that is looking better, and I think that's about what the trend will be heading into early next week. Tracking the tropics as we enter July, quiet as can be. Look at the Gulf of Mexico. That's a huge ridge of high pressure that's been giving them the heat wave and all these disturbances going up and around. So that is good to go, and the rest of the tropics are looking very quiet right now. All right, rip currents low for tomorrow. If you're making it a beach day, just keep in mind we'll have the morning coastal showers, then plenty of afternoon thunderstorms. So I think a beach day looks better for Sunday if you have an option there. If you're going to do both, good for you. No alerts on the Atlantic. If you're getting on the boat, east to southeast winds around 5 to 10 knots, light chop to smooth conditions for the Florida Keys. So we're looking pretty good there. As far as the temperatures, back in the low 90s for afternoon highs, and our rain coverage will be about 60%. So again, we are going to get wet tomorrow, but then improving after 6 o'clock as we roll in with quieter conditions then. And then of course for Tuesday, the big day here for 4th of July, I think by the time we get into fireworks time, we'll be clearing out nicely. We'll have those afternoon thunderstorms, but they'll leave us alone for the celebration. And then heading into the first week of July, more of the same, daily afternoon thunderstorms.